Enjoy watching and please subscribe. Thank you.
So I went to this grocery store and I saw the banana, the plantain, and then I said, I wanna eat sweetened banana. So I bought it and watched my video. Okay, thank you. Today I'm gonna make easy sweetened banana. I use plantain bananas. There's 2 bananas in this bowl, so I chopped it already. And it's ready to cook. Cinnamon is optional. Tapioca pearl is optional. Okay, let's get these babies cooked. Water boiling. I have like 4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. White sugar since I don't have brown sugar. I'm gonna pour my bananas in here. No splashing, and let it boil. So I'm gonna cover it, leave it there for like 5 minutes, and then I'll pour, or maybe like 3 minutes, then I'll pour the tapioca pearls because it says 5 minutes for the tapioca pearls. So here we go. Pour a bit of vanilla extract. That is like 1 tablespoon. There we go. Then I'll pour the tapioca pearls. That's like half a cup of tapioca pearls. Do I want more? No, I'll just pour more. And I'll let them boil. I'll mix it first. Then I'll cover it and let it boil. I want to avoid mixing it well, so it might smush the bananas. Ta-da! After 5 minutes, look how pretty my babies are. And you could smell it, really. It smells so good. I put a dash of cinnamon and that looks so gorgeous. Aside from that, it's yummy. Let's eat. Got my spoon. Sarap. I got my banana. Under this goodness. Oh, that's the cinnamon. I sprinkled some cinnamon. And that's it, guys.